Hello, welcome everyone. And this is about to show you here how you manage components on Figma. First, what you're gonna do. It's about to start with this one and this one. Now, imagine that circle and the square is really component. Now, what you're gonna do is about to make another one, for example, which is really a certain another component, which is a component number two. So, if you want to merge this first component with second component, you will combine as variants, and maybe that not going to be relaxed like to be about what we can start to make a union or subtract them. And combine, if you see that there is a combine section, if I type it combine compute publish, okay, it doesn't work actually anymore. So the combine is really about to go with union, and that is really my opinion how you combine or making it together. That is all about.